This is Jess from JessHuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to create perfectly round and seamless color transitions at the base of your amigurumi legs. If you crochet rounds 1 through 7 of the legs with standard continuous rounds, you end up with unattractive jogs or stair steps between each round. I'll show you how to eliminate those jogs using a series of 3 invisible finishes and standing starts. If you're unfamiliar with these techniques, I recommend watching my invisible finish and standing start tutorials before watching this video. You can find links to those in the description below. All caught up? Great! Start by completing rounds 1 through 4 of the legs. Fasten off and create an invisible finish, then anchor the tail to the back of the work with a knot. In the next round, we'll be slip stitching in the back loop only. Slip stitches often end up tighter than standard single crochets, so I recommend sizing up to a 4.5mm hook. With your next color, create a slip knot on your hook. You will start the round in the false stitch of your invisible finish. Complete round 5 by slip stitching in each stitch around. Fasten off and create another invisible finish. Secure the starting and ending yarn tails together with a knot, then trim them short. Switch back to your 3.5mm hook. Create a slip knot on your hook and complete round 6 in the back loop only. End with an invisible finish, then secure your yarn tails together and trim short. Create a slip knot on your hook. In the back loop only, single crochet in each stitch around to complete round 7. All remaining rounds on the leg will be worked normally in a continuous spiral. I'll go ahead and complete round 8. Now your leg has a perfectly round base with a seamless color change. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified about my future videos. Thanks for watching!